What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today is the day of the giveaway for the MAD 2306 motors. And before we get to the giveaway, I just wanted to let you guys know this is going to be my new little studio. I actually got this thing all set up. As you see, I have my recording mic and everything over here. My 3D printer over there, which won't ever be running when I'm recording, because I just can't stand when you hear that noise. But some things on the channel. I did get one of these. I got a Raging Droner, so I want to be doing a build on this. Also going to be using these new Emax, I believe these are the Eco motors, like $11.99, and they're like solidly built. Like it has like a nut on the bottom for instead of a C-clip, and the Samglux and even the Sunfun motors kind of failed in that part. We're having the clips on the bottom, but really kind of have high hopes for these, so I'll see how these do. I'm going to be putting these on the racing build I'm going to do with the Raging Droner. I'm also going to be building a computer. I'm not sure. Leave a comment down below if you think I should do a build of a computer. I know this is a FPV channel and I do mostly everything else, but I needed to build a computer so I can start doing some live streams and start playing some games and doing that stuff. So I thought, let's go ahead and build a computer and do it. And I wasn't sure if you guys would even be interested in watching me build something like that. I've never built a computer before in my life, but I've watched a lot of tutorials and everything. It seems pretty easy. I mean, I've built quads, I've removed engines out of cars, transmissions. I mean, how much harder could this thing be than working on a car, really? Because I did a lot of electrical work as well a few years back on cars. But so let's go ahead and get to the giveaway and see who wins. All right, so I'm on the computer. We're gonna go ahead and pick who wins these MAD 2306 motors. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy the link here. So I'm gonna verify, see how many comments I have. 164 comments. So let's go ahead and go to the random comment picker and paste that in. Oh, did that work? Let me do that again. There we go. So we're gonna go ahead and load the comments. And remember, if you don't see your name that just came up, it just kind of just does that for like a visual effect. It does load everything. So it's loaded 164 comments, so they do match. So let's go ahead and randomly pick a winner. Drumroll, please. Robert Kovacs. Thanks for the giveaway and the great content. One comment, one like. Yeah, so it looks like you won the MAD 2306 motors. Go ahead and email me at viperfpvbusiness@gmail.com, and I'll go ahead and we'll make arrangements to getting these motors shipped out to you. So if you didn't win, there's more chances to win. I do like giveaways like every month or every 2 months or so. I do have a giveaway already lined up, and it's from a special company that sent me some extra stuff to go ahead and give away. Can't spoil the details yet because I haven't made the video yet or haven't done anything with it yet. So once I do that, you'll see that on the channel. But I appreciate everybody who have subscribed and watched my content. The channel is growing pretty tremendously, and I couldn't do it without you guys. So I'll see you guys in a future video, and peace.